please hit the like button and stay tuned for this mutton chow mein recipe. Oh, hi there everyone, this is your Jamaican girl. Welcome to my kitchen. To start, family and friends, let me welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much for making my channel one of your viewing choice. So I start by cooking my goat meat. In 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, I've added some garlic and ginger. Stir it in to flavor my coconut oil. Then I add a kilogram of goat meat. I stir this in to brown it well. And then I add 2 cups of water, 1 cup at a time, and allow to cook for about 40 minutes. In a deep Dutch pot in boiling water, I've added a teaspoon of salt. Next, I added to that my chow mein and allow to cook for about 10 minutes. Next, family and friends, I move to saute in my vegetables. In a wide frying pan, I've added 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I've added to that some ginger and some garlic, my carrots, and of course my corn, and saute this well. My spiritual encouragement comes to us from Proverbs 18 verse 21. I want to encourage you to be careful of the words spoken, because once spoken cannot be retracted. Next, family and friends, I've added to that my cabbage and some onions. Saute this well, guys, and then pour it into a bowl. I'm using the same wide frying pan. I add to that 4 sausages. I'm using chicken sausage. You can use whatever sausage you want to use. I then allow them to brown nicely, turning them over. And as you can see, I've just added to that just a tablespoon of coconut oil, just to allow them to fry nicely. Next, I added the rest of my onions. I'm using 1 large red onion, guys, half of a green bell pepper. I'm using 3 Roma tomatoes, and of course Scotch bonnet pepper. I add to that my chow mein, stir it around just to flavor it, and then, family and friends, I pour it all back into my dish. Now, as you can see, I have my cabbage that I've already sauteed with, of course, my sausage, and then I pour in all the chow mein with the onions, garlics, and of course the tomatoes and peppers. Next, family and friends, I add to that some soy sauce. You can use whatever amount you want, it's really up to you. And then I add to that some sweet chili sauce. I then add my green peppers, stir this all around good so I can get them all flavorful and nice. Now, family and friends, it's time to add in my secret ingredient. See there, that's the mutton, family and friends. It gives it an awesome flavor. And of course, chow mein can't be chow mein without eggs. So I've added to that 2 boiled eggs that I have diced, and then just look at all these flavors coming together. And then added some garlic salt and some black pepper for taste, family and friends. And if only you can smell all of this inviting smell coming from this bowl. Next, I add to that some mustard, some honey garlic mustard, and then I stir it in well, and I can't wait to dig in. It's once again another of my mother's favorite. From my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Thank you so much for spending the time in the kitchen with me, and I will see you next week. Please remember to like, to share, to subscribe. Share my channel with your friends and encourage them to subscribe. Turn on your post notification, and I'll see you next week where I have another interesting recipe done for you, Jamaican style, or another Jamaican recipe to share with you.